We'll guide you through how to restore WhatsApp messages on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to do as they may have been deleted and so you want to go and get them back. So for example here, I'm going to go and delete this one here and show you we can go and get it back just like so. So first of all, what you want to do is go and tap on settings in the bottom right, scroll down to chats or just go down and find chat backup. You can go and see when the last backup was. So everything before that date is then going to go and be included in the backup. Anything since that date is not, so that will go and be lost. So I can see that my last backup was at 12:53. Everything that's happened since then is not going to be included. So to then restore to that backup, what you want to do is come out of WhatsApp and tap and hold on it, and we're going to go and delete it. So click remove app and click delete app like so and confirm our decision. And then what we can do is go and download it again. We can go and open up the app like so and start the setup process. During the process, you should go and get a pop-up about restoring from iCloud. So then what we can do is tap restore. Follow through with the setup process. And now when I come back to chats, as you can see that one I deleted is here. It's that simple.